Stop whatever you're doing. It's finally time you found out the secret of how the millionaires make their money. Congratulations! Your invitation has been accepted, and you are one of only a few people that'll ever get a chance to see this video. One of only a few people to be given the chance to generate life-changing profits like this, and even this.
I was lucky enough to get early access to the Millionaire Blueprint a few months ago. And since then, I've made over $120,000 each month, and I'm well on my way to my first million. In fact, I've made $912,398 so far with this blueprint. This is awesome.
I've been using as a beta tester on my phone for just over a year now. And I am very happy to report that I've made over $500,000 in that time. $517,629.58 to be exact, and all from an app that I've had on my phone that I've been using already. This system has changed everything for me. Now, I was cynical at first because I've been ripped off by scams in the past, but I took a chance and it's paid off big time. This is exactly what I've been waiting for my entire life.
I've been using this website and the system as a beta tester for about 2 months, and so far, I've made about $30,000. Now, this isn't the type of get-rich-quick scam that you always see on the internet. I mean, it's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but to me, $30,000 in 2 months is a life-changing amount of money. I still can't believe that a website that I use all the time was a way to make so much money. It was right under my nose the whole time. So if you want to make an extra $15,000 a month with almost no additional work, then I highly recommend you take action and join today.
I didn't know that it was possible for someone like me to make this kind of money. I'm not very good with technology, and I've never made a cent on the internet. But 4 months ago, I had never even heard of this app, and now I'm making over $50,000 every single month. I can't even believe it.
But before we go any further, I'm going to reveal the truth about how you could be potentially living a life of luxury after watching this video. A life of luxury, which will allow you to live in exotic locations around the world, drive fancy sports cars, have that dream mansion you've always wanted, and, more importantly, that'll allow you to make a consistent online income every month by using the Millionaire Blueprint. I know what you're probably thinking. And no, this isn't one of those sales videos where I tell you about the latest e-commerce, Bitcoin, MLM, or internet marketing get-rich-quick scam that can make you millions of dollars in a matter of seconds or some other such BS. This is not one of those tacky videos full of hype and nonsense designed to swindle you out of your hard-earned cash. This video isn't like that, but it does have the potential to change your life and bring in a regular income from the internet. I'll even put a guarantee on this right now. If you don't reach your personal income goals once you have access to the Millionaire Blueprint, I'll personally refund every cent of your money. Hi, my name is Elon Gates, and I'm the creator and founder of the Millionaire Blueprint. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the chance to get access to this program so you can have the chance to start earning a life-changing income. If you are looking to earn as much as $100,000 per month, then this is going to be the most important video you'll ever watch. In fact, if you watch this short 5-minute video until the end, I'm going to show you exactly how I've used the Millionaire Blueprint to become a millionaire inside of the space of 6 months. You're probably thinking, yeah, right, I call BS. Well, it's time to stop the BS and show you some straight-up facts and back them up with some solid proof. This morning, this system allowed me to generate serious online profits, and that's the same kind of money I've made every single day of this month, which has allowed my bank balance to grow to an extremely healthy amount. Just think how easy your life could be if you had access to this kind of money. You'll be 100% stress-free, without a care in the world, and more importantly, you'll be free. Free from everything you've been trying to get away from. Free from all those crippling debts and loans. Free from the car payments you've been struggling to meet each month. Free from the mortgage and rent payments you struggle to pay off each month. Free from all the costs of bringing up your kids and all the rest of the struggles that come along with being an adult with no real assets or cash in the bank. The Millionaire Blueprint is something that has allowed me to live a life of luxury for the past 5 years on complete autopilot. Yes, that's right. I make all that money and I don't have to do a single thing. I sit back and let the money come in automatically while I'm at the restaurant eating, while I'm walking on the beach with my beautiful wife, and best of all, while I'm asleep. If you can see this page, it means your private invitation has been accepted to use the Millionaire Blueprint. It means we believe you are the perfect fit to use the Millionaire Blueprint to reap the kind of profits we are currently enjoying.
I thought making this type of money was only possible for professional sportsmen and drug dealers. In my first few days, I made $8,000. 7 months later, I've quit my job and me and my partner are moving into a new house.
It was so easy to set up. I made over $500 within the first day. And I've been doing this for about a few weeks now, and now I'm making $4,000 weekly. So now I'm planning to quit my job, and I'm gonna travel the world and see a lot of new things. So thank you so much.
The Millionaire Blueprint is absolutely mind-blowing. I've been using it as a beta tester for over a year now, and now I have made $1.7 million. I was skeptical when I heard about it first, but it is the real deal. It has completely changed my life.
Let me explain how the blueprint works. The Millionaire Blueprint system has been created and refined by myself and a group of my friends who are digital marketers, programmers, and statisticians from a number of top firms around the world. We've been able to create a system that identifies the most lucrative opportunities and then replicates them for you and your account. In this way, all of the hard work's done for you and the system is basically 100% automated. This gives you the opportunity to automatically copy my proven blueprint that made profits of over $37,738.66 in the first week of use and over $2,255,987.43 in the first year. This is money that I've been able to withdraw direct into my bank account, and very soon you'll have the same amount in your bank account. As the Millionaire Blueprint searches out guaranteed profits and auto-replicates these for you, it's the first system of its kind that offers you the potential to make these kinds of life-altering profits without any hard work on your side and without any previous technical experience or skills required. Outrageous claims, you may think. But as you'll see, they're both outrageous and completely true. As you can imagine, this is a huge deal in the online world and has the potential to turn the market upside down, which is exactly why me and my circle of insider friends are keeping this secret tightly locked down. And so far, we've done this very successfully. In fact, since we discovered this system 2 years ago, not a single soul outside our syndicate has heard of this. Not even a single wife or girlfriend. That's how tightly guarded this secret has been. But now, after close consultation with my partners, we've decided to make some changes. To be honest, we've all already made huge amounts of money over the last couple of years. As you can imagine, with this kind of system, it's just too easy. We leave the Millionaire Blueprint running 24/7 and the money just pours into our bank accounts around the clock. I personally have had to open up 3 new bank accounts just to spread the profits around. Now, waking up in the morning and seeing that I've made $10,000 overnight doesn't even excite me anymore. So we've decided that as we've had our fill, it's time we shared this life-changing system with the rest of the world. After all, it's a great feeling to make $1 million in a year, but it's an even better feeling to help Joe Bloggs, who works in the local supermarket, make $1 million. Okay, unless you have no interest whatsoever in financial freedom and living the good life, I'm sure I have your attention now. So the next thing you must be asking yourself is, how can I get access to the Millionaire Blueprint? Well, that part is almost as amazing as the system itself. All you have to do is click the button you see on this page and pay a tiny one-time fee to access the system. Yes, that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. By simply clicking the button on this page and paying the small one-time fee, you will gain full lifetime access to the VIP members area where you will get immediate access to the Millionaire Blueprint. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste this opportunity. Can you really live with yourself for squandering a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity like this? If you are like most people who are not making real money online, it's because you don't take action. Don't let this be another occasion where you miss the boat. Take action now and seize your chance for wealth and financial freedom. You are one of the lucky ones to have been given this invitation to use the Millionaire Blueprint. If you are ready to join us and have the chance to feel the thrill of earning up to $1 million a year in pure profits, then click the button on this page and I'll see you inside the members area. Just click the button you see on this page and you could be on your way to earning a ridiculous amount of money starting today. We wouldn't want you to miss out on this opportunity. This is your time to shine. Click the button and I'll see you in the members area. Do it now. You deserve this. Just click the button now and I'll see you inside the members area.